Instagram, wetin dey play? About na real worry birthday o. Na real worry birthday today o. Happy birthday, my beautiful gallant. As in, you see that your pose when you go dey waka out those waka, I don't try and tell you, I don't feel do am me. Happy birthday, my darling sister, real worry pikin. I beg Mona help me wish her happy birthday. You know, you too much. What did they play? Like, what did they play today? Today na real worry pikin birthday. I beg Mona help me wish her happy birthday because it's not easy. Oh, it's not easy for that. As in, I the truth for her. You know. Anything you know say go fit give him money for this one, they do am. Real worry go do am for us, you know. In fact, I the truth for the woman, like seriously. I the truth for her, you know. Mona help me wish her happy birthday. She deserves all the birthday in this world today. I wish you all the good things in this world. I wish you anything you wish yourself. I wish you today. And I say amen to all your secret prayer. Happy birthday, everything. Last year, now you first talk about how you take suffer before, how you take now your birthday. Now you take talk, and that time you were crying, you know. But today things don't turn around for you, you know. Happy birthday, my gallant lady. I for sing for you today, but YouTube no go let me play music. Happy birthday, my darling sister. I wish you all the good things in this world. I wish you everything you wish yourself. Mona, follow me wish real worry pikin happy birthday. Na real worry pikin, as in correct gallant pikin. You know, a woman, responsible woman, a woman where they husband house. You get one thing where she talk one day, wey make me come to love her. She say they come dey interview her. Tonto Dike come dey interview her. They come tell her and say this things where she dey do. So this joke, this comment where they make people laugh. Say e dey be for home. You know, they take his space. Like maybe you know they too get time for your husband, all those things. He say yeah. He say but you know they let him work take anything, the better part of her. He say because she they always make sure say, he say because your husband are the quiet type, you know, they talk, but you know, you take that advantage because you know they talk, make sure you can they do anything way she like. He say they get time when he be say, you know, say your husband not they complain, but at least he go use the account of she. He say so. Those time we be saying go dey Instagram, maybe people they send a message, they respond. Maybe not be she did there, maybe not they admit them. Now they do am, but in they make sure say in create that time for yours man. I say you see he say no go, you know go say because say not they talk, make she call you they do anything where she like, you know. It can't make me love her so much because she get the kind of husband where me I get, you know, they talk very quiet man. But people when not they talk, they will go talk you yourself, you go, hey, that day. Someone help me wish real worry pikin happy birthday, my darling sister. Everything they look for this world, we don't they pray ever since. May God do for you. God go grant all for you for this your birthday today. Happy birthday once again. Someone help me wish her happy birthday. Oh.